Hey there, puzzle enthusiasts, ready to master the Rubik's Cube? Let's dive right in with this step-by-step guide. Buckle up, because in just 5 easy steps, you'll be solving that cube in no time. Step 1. Complete the first layer cross. Keep the white center on top and the green centerpiece facing you. Find the green-white edge piece. It's the one with just 2 colors. Now, turn it to one of the positions shown here. Follow the arrows to place that piece correctly. Once you're done, switch to another color face and repeat until the white cross is complete. This step might take some practice, but trust me, you've got this. Step 2. Complete the first layer corners. Keep white on top and the green center facing you again. Find the green/white/red corner piece. Place it in one of the positions shown without messing up your white cross. If the corner's in the wrong position, move it to the bottom layer and then back up to the correct spot. Rotate the cube and repeat for each face until the white layer is done. Step 3. Complete the second layer. Keep white on top and look for the green-red edge piece. If it's in the bottom layer, match it with the center color. If not, move it to the bottom first. Follow the steps to place the edge piece correctly. Rinse and repeat until the second layer is complete. Step 4. Complete the third layer cross. Flip the cube so yellow is on top. You'll see 0, 2 or 4 pieces of the yellow cross. Ignore the corners for now. Use the algorithm shown to form the yellow cross. Once you have 4 or 2 edge pieces in the correct place, make sure they match the center colors. Use another algorithm to fine-tune their positions. Step 5. Complete the third layer corners. First, we'll position the corners correctly. If one corner piece is in the right spot, put it in the front top right position. If none are correct, perform the steps and reorient the cube until one corner is correct. Now turn each corner one by one to its correct orientation. Remember, it might look like you're messing up the cube, but stay focused. Repeat the moves until all the corners are aligned. Rotate the top layer to adjust the next corner piece and repeat until your cube is solved. And there you have it. With practice, you'll be solving the Rubik's Cube like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle solving tips. See you next time.